Hello, my name is David Price. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Rockfire Resources. We have Ed Fry, our Exploration Manager, up on site, who's taking us through the process of the core from coming out of the ground until it arrives at the laboratory. Today, Ed's going to be talking about the magnetic susceptibility. This measures how susceptible the rocks are to a magnetic field. It helps us to correlate what we're drilling through with the magnetic surveys and the geophysical surveys that have been done by Rockfire. It also helps us to characterise each of the rock types as we drill through them. It's one of the very many techniques and many processes that our core goes through to be able to extract as much data out of the core as we can. I'll hand you over to Ed. Enjoy the video.
I'm standing here today at our Plateau gold deposit in the middle of our very exciting diamond drilling program. During this video today, I'm going to explain what mag susceptibility is and how we go about measuring it. So magnetic susceptibility, or the mag sus, is a measurement of how a magnet is attracted to the rock or a mineral within the rock. So for example here, you see the magnet pen here doesn't get attracted to the rock. So if I bring it down here, watch the magnet pen. See how it's being drawn to the rock? Now there's a magnetic mineral in here called pyrrhotite. So that is a qualitative way of measuring the magnetic susceptibility. And what we use is a mag sus meter to work out, to put a number to it, so a quantitative measure. So what we do is take a reading up in the air, bring it into the rock, and that had a reading of about 0.3. So now we do another reading through here, and then bring it to the rock, and back up. So that has a reading of 35. So that means, from a magnetic susceptibility point of view, this part down here, which has the pyrrhotite in it, is about 100 times greater in its mag sus than this zone here, which is just altered rock. What this allows us to do, it allows us to characterize the rock. We go through and we take a reading every meter, and then it allows us to work out where the gold is. Is it associated with the magnetic material? Is it associated with the demagnetized material? Or is it associated with both?